After 3 years, the A-Class sedan and hatchback will be discontinued, with the 2025 Mercedes A-Class likely being the final. The GLA and GLB will continue to draw in new buyers due to crossover popularity. Supposedly, Mercedes' MMA architecture will replace MFA in the final model. Given that this is the last model, a new class model employing this data is likely extraordinary. With its new MMA architecture, the 2025 Mercedes class will provide more technology and better packaging. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz A-Class will be introduced with pricing and availability. It will likely compete with the mid-2025 Volkswagen ID.3 at £35,835. Mercedes-Benz will add a bigger grille, stronger hood, and all-LED lighting to the 2025 A-Class hatchback. We may see slimmer, simpler, futuristic, and more visible LED headlights. Pitched roof. These parts match Mercedes-Benz's current look. Its dark pillars, unique rims, and rearview mirror-mounted side indicators set it apart. The 2025 A-Class may look sportier with a rounder shape and bigger wheels. Hatchbacks should have decorative circular LED taillights. Looking at the 2022 model, the 2025 A-Class may include a turbocharged 4-cylinder petrol engine. This engine may benefit from hybrid technology for power and fuel efficiency. You can tackle any condition with 180 to 220 horsepower from this engine. There may be a plug-in hybrid,